everyone to the TechLog YouTube channel. For this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how you can log in into the OneDrive account of yours in desktop. So for that, what you need to do is open a Google browser on your desktop. You can use any browser on your PC or in your laptop to log in into the OneDrive. So once you open the browser, click open a new tab. There on the search bar, type in onedrive.com and press enter. It will direct you to the official page of OneDrive. Here on the official page, you need to click on sign in. As OneDrive is a part of Microsoft, you will have to log in into the Microsoft account of yours. So type in the email address over here. Then click on next and now type in the password. Then tap on sign in. This will get you signed in into the OneDrive account of yours right away. So this is how you can easily sign in into the OneDrive account of yours in the desktop browser. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.